Hello teacher, in this opportunity I will talk about space exploration. Three advantages and three disadvantages that I took from the video. The first advantage is that we can create new jobs. Why? Because space exploration needs engineers, astronauts, scientists, so we can create new opportunities for jobs. The second advantage is that we can prevent the risks. For example, we know that in the space we have asteroids or space junk called debris that it can make a danger on the people on Earth. So by space exploration we can prevent this type of risks. The third advantage is that we can find new energy sources on space. And if we find these sources, we can help the human race in this basic necessity. On the other hand, we have the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is that astronauts or people who travel to the space are in risk. In the spaceports, they suffer a risk for the radiation. And also we know that they have families, and this is very sad, so we need to prevent also this type of risks, but it's a disadvantage. Another disadvantage is that we can find negative organisms in the space that can make bad consequences on Earth or the life of the astronauts. And the third disadvantage is that it can create disputes between countries. For example, one country is interested in something and the other is interested too. So it can create some disputes and difference between countries. Now, I will talk about the state of the teacher I interviewed yesterday. Andreita, who was a teacher, told me that yes, she was agree with the space exploration because she thinks that there are many people interested in this. For example, the scientists, as I said, or the astronauts. But she also thinks that in the Earth, especially the underdeveloped countries, we have priorities like poverty, like education, like global warming, and we need to focus in these circumstances, and we need to invest money to solve the situations. Finally, in my opinion, I think that space exploration is good, but we need to do it with a lot of care, because we have to think also in people that are on Earth, not just and discover new life in another planet. Thank you. I see you soon, teacher.